Hello guys and ladies, this is Primo Milk. Here is a tutorial for the posters gaming. On the zip file you will find the IEP file for After Effects and the Moglit files for Premiere Pro. The Moglit files you have to copy them on here on the Essential Graphics for Mac users and Windows. Follow this path and after that you are able to open it to see them on the Essential Graphics on Premiere Pro. And the same way on After Effects, it will be the project. This category is a part of a full pack of posters that you can find it here. With altogether pack more than 200 packages updating every week. And also this pack has an extension that it's very useful to find what you want. Here is the extension. All these extensions you will find for Premiere Pro and After Effects on this pack. Let's continue now to see how we customize the gaming pack for After Effects. Here it is. We have the controls. Just change the colors to fit your own colors like this. Change the text. You are able to change these social media icons and put your own here or remove them. You can change the composition setting like this and everything is changing. And also for mobile, let's go to Premiere. The same way the Premium Builder works on Premiere 2 if you want to purchase. Here I just drag and drop the first poster, and on the Essential Graphics here on the edit you can change the colors again like this. You are able to change the composition settings like this. So if you change from here the sequence settings, you are able to fit the composition. Here you change the text, this text. Also you are able to change the font and the size and the position of all the text. And if you don't want these social media icons, you are able to remove them with the opacity like this. And also the background opacity if you don't want it. For all the backgrounds you can remove the background. Let's fit frame size. Here it is. Excuse me. This one also. This background is 4K, so you can use them as you want. Here on the arcade we have, for each letter, because it's a specific font, for each letter you can change and write your own text and move the position of the letters also to make your word. So this is the way you customize it on Premiere Pro and After Effects 2. I hope you like it. If you like the full version of the posters, you can purchase it here. Don't forget. So thank you very much. Bye bye.